welcome to my channel. My name is Karen, I'm 25 years old, I'm from Germany, living in Berlin right now. And today I'm going to show you how to make bear claws. It's like the most favorite Christmas cookies of me and my dad. First I'll show you what you need, then we'll just start. You need 2 bowls, 250 grams of rasped chocolate, 500 grams of rasped almonds or almond flour, 500 grams of sugar, 6 eggs, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and the rind of 1 lemon. What you also will need is I have Christmas cookie form. It's made out of wood. That is very important because for these cookies you will later make this one wet and put it into sugar, which I have here. I have another one smaller pot of sugar because you need to like pull it inside the sugar over and over again. First I'll just have all the dry ingredients mixed in one bowl. So you just pull everything together in a big bowl. I think this one is too small. Okay, wait. Change this one. And this one. You'll just mix everything together very well. So, and since I'm the person who does everything by its hand, I'll just mix that all together. So since we only need the egg wash, you could just keep the rest of the egg. What I usually do after having Christmas cookies, I also have lots of noodles because I'm doing noodles by myself, and therefore you need a lot of the yellow part of the egg, and make my own noodles tomorrow or something. I'm just using my usual mixer for that. So you will always know that your egg wash is ready if the lines do stay inside while mixing. To test that, you could always just flip it over, and if it stays inside the pot, it's done. I put some water on the form, and now I'll just kind of flip it inside the sugar a little bit. And I'm just starting now and push a little bit of the dough inside the form. The first ones will get outside very, very easily. Make sure that you don't use too much dough, like the amount of a teaspoon, maybe a little less, because then they will like kind of grow. As you can see, this is a job which takes quite a lot of time. So, since now my first round is over, you'll see that my hands are super sticky and everything just stays where it is, it doesn't go away.
And now they're coming out.
So, 10 minutes are over. So, those cookies are done. They look quite awesome. Just let them cool down a little bit so you can pull them on the roast after.